Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have the DeLonghi magnifica Espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because no water was coming out through the steam and it was just coming out kind of like a burning smell. And that was because the water pump needed to be replaced. There was no water coming to the thermal block and it was just smelling. It's just leftover water of the thermal block in there. The water pump didn't have enough pressure to push out the water coming out in there, and yeah, we just replaced it again. As you can see, it's working perfectly fine, feeling out great. We're gonna test the steamer as well. It's gonna take a little bit for the machine to build up some pressure inside. Once the machine gets the pressure, then the water pump will start pulsing and you will see some steam coming out of the machine. We also give the machine a tune up. The brew group was definitely a little bit dirty inside. The condition of the machine as born inside was pretty dirty. It had a lot of old coffee and it was just a little bit dirty. As you can see, we're having good steam coming out of the machine. No burning smell or anything like that. Now we're gonna do a shot of espresso. This was the previous condition of the machine. As you can see, a bunch of coffee and yes, basically what we did. We also descaled the machine, replaced the gasket from the generator, and give it a good clean overall. Good water flow, excellent color coming out of the machine. 1 ounce of water, which is perfect for a shot of espresso. And there you have it, the DeLonghi magnifica is working once again. So thank you for pairing Kanen coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day, and thanks for watching.